Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lindsay. If you're not new here, welcome back. I am back from Sri Lanka. We landed early hours of this morning. I am so happy to be home. I had the best trip in Sri Lanka. I love that country. I had the best time and the much needed break. However, I'm also very excited to be back home. There is no better feeling than getting back to your own home, your own space, and your own routine. I was actually pretty sick the whole time we were in Sri Lanka. From the morning I woke up for us to travel there until pretty much when we got home. I think I had one day where I wasn't unwell. Just had some really bad tummy issues. Won't go into too much detail. But yeah, I don't know if the water or the food really agreed with me. It's not normally something I struggle with, but I definitely did on this holiday. This vlog is mostly going to be about getting back to a routine, getting back into some healthy habits, and kind of resetting my life because it is so needed, so overdue. Hello. So, little update. That was Lynn's 3 weeks ago, and things didn't quite go to plan. So I started with the best intentions after my holiday to come back and get back into the swing of routine and my life and everything to make me feel great. Literally the next day after filming that, I got sick. I felt a bit better after a couple of days, but I had developed the worst cough and that lasted for 3 weeks. So whilst I still tried to kind of pushed through after about a week of feeling better, I was just making myself worse. So here we are 3 weeks later and I'm finally better. It's Sunday, so I thought today was a great day to get my life together. Let's actually get back on track. No more illnesses, no more excuses. Let's get organized. My routine has been off, especially with traveling, coming back, getting sick. I've not been in the best routine. Making a solid, structured plan really does help me stay on track rather than just kind of thinking, okay, I'll do this tomorrow or I'll do 3 gym sessions this week, but I don't know what days. I think I need to have proper plan, structured goals that I can actually stick to. So we're gonna do it together. So I've got a planner that I use. I change my planners up quite a lot, so I'm not gonna show you which one it is. Something I do like in a planner is that it has a whole page or 2 pages per day. So I have lots of space to plan things out. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put in my work shifts because I have to work, have set shifts for work, and then we'll slot in other things around those. The second thing I'm going to do is put my workouts in. I like to make a plan of what workouts I want to do in the week and then slot them in onto specific days. Now my schedule has changed a little bit recently because of me starting this new job. So I very much used to just get up and go and do the 6:30 a.m. class. Nice and easy, didn't really have to think about it. However, because I now get up at 4 a.m. to work from 5:15 a.m. 3 days a week, I can't make it to a 6:30 class on those 3 days, and the other 2 days, as much as I would like to, I do need to prioritize my sleep because I'm not very good at napping on the days I get up at 4 a.m. So I did a big workout on Saturday and I also did a barbell strength workout today. So I'm thinking tomorrow I might take it a little bit more easy to start the week and just do a run. I am really still trying to get into running and I'm really enjoying running. So it's something I want to continue. So I think tomorrow after my work in the morning, I will go to the gym that I train at and I will run inside on the assault runners because it is still 45 degrees outside. That's what I'm going to do tomorrow, a run. It'll be like an active recovery day, but at least I'm still getting some movement in. I really find if I do something on a Monday, it really sets me up for the rest of the week, puts me in a good headspace, gives me a good mindset. So I'm happy with that. Tuesday, I would like to do a CrossFit class. I don't work on Tuesdays. Now, am I gonna get up at 5 a.m. to go and do CrossFit at 6:30? Yes, I am. I always feel like I'm a bit more motivated at the start of the week. So if I get up and go, then at least I've got up and gone. Do you know what I mean? And I'm doing my own Lift with Lynn's accessory program at the moment. So for those of you that don't know, I am a personal trainer, an online coach, a group class instructor, CrossFit coach, all the coaching. And I'm trialing and testing one of my own programs, which is available on my website. I will put that in the description down below. If you guys want to check out any of my strength programs, they are available for you to purchase. And they're very good, if I say so myself. Wednesday, I'm working and I will do a strength session on Wednesday. The strength part of the gym program that I follow, as well as my own accessory program. No cardio, no WOD. Thursday will be my rest day. Friday will be another strength day. Saturday, I have to rest because I have a really busy day with work and we have a work event. Saturday is gonna have to be a rest day. Sunday, I'm very much enjoying doing barbell, so I'm gonna go and do that. And then I will do a run after that. We're gonna aim for a 3K, but just in one go. So like a nice slow paced run. My 2 runs are Monday and Sunday this week. My strength days are Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, and that's it. The next thing we're going to talk about is food. I actually really like to plan my meals for the week ahead before I do my food shop, and then I will do my food shop based on the ingredients I need for my meals. Now I have already done this and it is arriving today. Let's go through what I'm eating this week. So for meal planning, I just use my phone. I write down what meals I want. So Monday to, I normally do like 5 because I know that 1, I'm gonna have leftovers, or sometimes I might wanna go out. So it kind of balances out. I don't like to plan 7 meals because I know for a fact I'm not gonna eat 7 meals, and then I tend to waste food, which I really hate to do. So I'm really conscious about only buying things that I know I'm gonna use all of during the week. This week we have got barbecue chicken thighs with cubed potato, which I'll just do in the air fryer, and vegetables. A tuna rice bowl with cucumber and bok choy. I saw that on someone's Instagram this week and it looked nice, so I'm gonna steal that idea. Chicken taco bowls or chicken fajitas. I need to go to the shop to buy whatever I can find. So if I can find taco bowls, you know, like the soft taco bowls, I'm gonna use those. If not, I'm just gonna get like a normal fajita kit, and same kind of thing, but just not a bowl. Sausage pasta. So I'll get some sausages, chop them up, cook them with some spaghetti or some pasta in like a tomatoey sauce. And then my final one is going to be sweet potato nachos, which I also saw on an Instagram and copied that idea. I get a lot of my food inspiration from Instagram or Pinterest. I do have like firm favorite meals that I have regularly, like my barbecue chicken thighs. I make this all the time because I just throw them into the air fryer and it's amazing. I quite often do things like just baked salmon with veg, or we have a lot of barbecues grilling, so steak with wedges and salad, those kind of things, but it just depends how I feel that week. This week I was in a let's get inspiration from the internet mood, so that's what we've done. Based on those things, I write like a whole list of shopping. I do my weekly shop on food delivery, online shopping, and then anything that I can't get on that online website, I will go to the shop to buy. So my plan is for the big bulk of food to arrive this afternoon because I knew I was going to be home, and I will go to the store tomorrow morning. There's a shop that I really like next door to where I work, so I'll go and get all that stuff. I can put it in the fridge when I go to the gym. Life is good. Life is good. Another thing that I've started doing recently that I haven't really done for the last kind of 4 or 5 days, but I want to get back to next week, is tracking my food. Now, I'm not really somebody that tracks their food a lot, and I'm not dieting. I'm not trying to lose weight ever. I'm always trying to put on weight, but I know that if I don't track for a long time, chances are I'm probably not really eating as accurately as I think I am. So every 6 months to a year, I will just track my food to make sure that 1, I'm hitting my protein target. I lift a lot of weights. I like to build muscle. I want to be bigger. So therefore I need to be eating enough protein. Protein is roughly guided around sort of 1.5 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilo of body weight. I'm not ashamed to say that I weigh almost 70 kilos. So I look to eat around 140 grams of protein a day, and that is slightly over my body weight. Obviously anything in excess of that is great, but that's like my target, 140 grams of protein a day. Calories, I also like to make sure I'm eating enough calories. I didn't realize until recently that I am actually not eating enough. Although I feel like I'm eating a lot of food, it's not really adding up to enough calories. So I'm making sure that I'm hitting 2,200 calories at the moment, and I'm going to see how that makes my body feel. If I feel like I'm gaining like too much fat or too much fluff, then I'll adjust it. If I feel like I'm not really gaining weight, or I'm not really feeling like I have enough energy for my workouts or my day-to-day life, then I'll also increase it. So it's kind of like a trial and error. Just everyone is going to be different. I'm not a nutritionist and I don't offer like nutritional advice in detail, but I'm just playing around with things and I'm just sharing with you guys what I'm playing around with. That's that. So we will be tracking our food in MyFitnessPal, which again is just an app that I have on my phone. I only have the free version. I don't pay for an upgraded one, and I just track as closely as I can for each of my meals. It does involve a bit of weighing of food sometimes, but once you kind of get into the habit of it, it's fine. I have a weighing scale in my kitchen, which I use. I just keep it out on the side so I don't forget. And honestly, once you've done it for a couple of days, it kind of becomes second nature and you just end up weighing everything. Something else I am really focusing on, because the temperatures are still high in Dubai, it is starting to cool down, but whilst I'm training more and whilst I'm especially running more, I'm sweating a bit more. I'm really making sure that I'm drinking enough water, and I'm also adding in some hydration to my water. So I have these hydration sachets, which in the ones I buy here are called Her Mantra, and they have great flavors. This is not sponsored, by the way, I just really like them. They're really popular. So many people are drinking these, and I just pour the sachet into a couple of my cups of water. I'm having like 2 to 3 sachets per day at the minute because I'm sweating so much. I have to say, I do feel a lot better drinking them. This one is lime and I love this one. It's so good. It's just like drinking squash, but you know that you're getting like all these electrolytes. They're sugar-free, they're nasty-free, preservative-free, and honestly, it's just, you're getting so much more hydration than just drinking water and flushing yourself out all the time. You're taking in salts, you're taking in electrolytes, and it's gonna make you more energized throughout the day, which when you get up at 4 a.m, you really need. Okay, and the final thing I'm going to talk about is planning 2 social activities for this week. So one thing that I'm starting to do, especially when Dan is away, is make myself go and do something fun, not work related, not exercise related, but social. So either taking myself out on like a little fun date, or taking myself out for the afternoon, going for a coffee with a friend, meeting up with a friend, being social. My only rule, one of the activities has to be with another person, because I've spoken about this in previous videos. I do feel like I isolate myself quite a lot, and spending time with people I actually like makes me feel good. So we're gonna do more of it. So this week, my social activity is kind of planned for me. So I'm cheating a little bit this week, but my new job has a brunch on Saturday to celebrate 1 year of their gym being open. It's a good chance for me to get to know the members outside of the gym, spend a bit more time with them, get to know my co-coaches a little bit better. Yeah, I'm actually looking forward to it. It's gonna be good. Plus we get to eat all the food, so that's nice. So that is on Saturday. So that will be my social activity for this week. And I think as Thursday is my rest day, I'm not working that day either. I will do something on Thursday. Not really sure what. See, the weather is still hot, so it's usually going to be something inside. I think maybe on Thursday I'll take myself for a lunch. If I don't go for lunch, I might go to the cinema. I'm going to see what's on. So they're going to be my 2 options, either a lunch or a cinema date by myself. Looking back on that plan, I'm actually pretty happy with it. Just to recap, we've got 3 to 4 strength and CrossFit workouts in this week. We've got 2 runs. We've got tracking our food and our calories. I've got my healthy food, all my meals, they're all planned. I know what I'm eating. I know what I need to prep for, and I've got all the food in the house ready to go. We're being hydrated. We're staying hydrated queens this week. So we have got our Her Mantra sachets, and we're drinking 2 to 3 liters of water with 2 or 3 sachets of the electrolytes as well per day. We're being social. We're going to a brunch on Saturday. We're taking ourselves out on Thursday for some solo me date time. And I'm gonna be honest, this sounds like a really good week. I'm very excited. and I feel really set up for the week ahead. I really hope this has given you some kind of motivation for your week. If you've been struggling, just know that it's completely normal, that we all fall out of routine every now and again. Life happens, and it's not about falling off and feeling like a failure. It's about picking yourself back up and getting back to it when you can. It makes me less likely to cancel on myself if I know exactly if I know exactly when I'm meant to be going to the gym, when I'm meant to be training. I am much less likely to just cancel on myself. Put it in your diary, set it as a non-negotiable, set it as like part of your work day, something that you have to get done. Stay hydrated, especially with the last few days of summer, especially if you're in the Middle East like me and it is still 40 degrees. Also, I think Europe and the UK are still having a little bit of a heat wave, so stay hydrated. Even in the winter, you need to make sure that you're drinking enough water. It's so good for your skin, for your body, for your mind, for your mental clarity. So make sure you stick to that. And be social. I am sick of being introverted. I am sick of isolating myself and hiding away. Life is for living, and we are getting out there and we are living our life again. So at least 2 social activities this week. The rest of the week is all yours to do as little as you want, but those 2 opportunities to get out there, try something new, spend some time with yourself, treat yourself, see your friend, have a good time, you deserve that as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. This has been really fun and we should do this more often. Please let me know if you have any other tips, anything else that you do to help plan your week. Let me know in the comments below, because I'm always open to new ideas, implementing new strategies and new ways of doing things. So let me know what helps you, what works for you, what doesn't work for you, or if you've tried anything that we've talked about today. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.